Namaste, dear devotees, Ganesh Bhakt. If you have a keen interest in rich Hindu culture, then you're in for a treat. Today, we embark on a spiritual voyage, a pilgrimage that transcends borders and connects hearts. Our destination? Journey to a dozen Ganesh temples scattered across the globe outside India. Ganpati is one of the most revered deities in Hinduism, symbolizing wisdom, prosperity, and good fortune. This video promises a blend of history, spirituality, and global culture, so stick around till the end. Starting our list at number 12 is Ganesh Temple or Triolet Temple in Mauritius. In the heart of Mauritius, on Shivala Road in Triolet, stands the Maheshwarnath Shiv Mandir. Its legacy spans over 130 years, dating back to 1888 when Pandit Sri Sajibunlal Ramsundur from Bihar established it. This temple cradles the hopes and prayers of the Indian diaspora families. Thousands of devotees visit annually, drawn by its rich history and spiritual significance. The temple houses the sacred Shivlinga, idols of goddess Parvati, Ganesha, Kartikeya, and the gatekeeper Nandi. Next in the list is Ganesh Temple in Fiji. On Queen's Road in Nadi, Viti Levu, Fiji, the Sri Siva Subramanya Temple stands as the largest Hindu temple in the Pacific. Its rich heritage dates back many years. Originally established in the early 20th century, it was rejuvenated in 1976 and further enhanced by the arrival of Shivacharya Mahaling Gurukul in 1984. Devotees flock here to witness unique religious ceremonies, and tourists marvel at its Dravidian architecture, a rarity outside India. At number 10 comes a Ganesh temple in Trinidad and Tobago. During Ganesh Utsav, across Trinidad and Tobago, devotees open their homes to prayers and rituals. The festival celebrates Lord Ganesha, symbolizing new beginnings. The then India Sanmarg Ikka Sangam, TC Sangam, played a crucial role in its revival. The festival culminates in grand processions and the Visarjan of Ganesha idols in the sea, carrying away obstacles and emphasizing unity. Next in our mind at number 9, we have the Ganesh Temple in Flushing, New York. Established in 1977, it's one of the oldest Hindu temples in the USA. It serves as a cultural hub for the Indian diaspora in New York, attracting thousands of visitors annually. Number 8 is the Sri Ganesh Mandir in Durban, South Africa. Durban is home to a significant Indian community, and this temple serves as a spiritual center for many. Built in the early 20th century, the temple is famed for its vibrant festivals, drawing crowds from across the region. At number 7, we have the Ganesh Temple in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Located in the heart of the city, this temple is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Known for its beautiful carvings and serene ambience, the temple also plays a crucial role during the Thaipusam festival. Halfway through, at number 6 is the Varasiddhi Vinayak Temple in Sydney, Australia. This temple has quickly become a spiritual heaven for the Hindu community in Australia. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Ganesh Temple in Bangkok, Thailand. Located in the bustling area of Silo, this temple is a blend of Thai and Indian architectural styles. Number 4 is the Ganesh Temple in London, UK. Situated in Wimbledon, this temple is one of the most famous Hindu temples in the UK. At number 3, we have the Ganesh Temple in Paris, France. This temple, located in the vibrant district of La Chapelle, is a focal point for the Hindu community in Paris. Number 2 is the Ganesh Temple in Singapore. This temple, located in the Little India district, is one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the Batu Caves Temple in Malaysia. Though primarily dedicated to Lord Murugan, there's a significant shrine for Lord Ganesh within the caves. The Bathu caves draw millions of visitors each year, making it one of the most famous Hindu temples globally. Each of these temples showcases the rich cultural heritage of Hinduism and its growing global influence. Thanks for joining me on this spiritual journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories from around the world. Catch you in the next video. Namaste.